Hello friends, today I will be just sharing a method which will really help you to transform your MacBook in a night mode. Well, yes, it's really possible, and we will not be using any software or any external things. We using only our internal setting of the Mac OS. So that's really a great method. So it's really kind of a need if we are walking at the night or something like that. That what we really require is a dark mode. MacBook to be in a dark mode. So I'll tell you, as I said, that internal method. So let us proceed to that method, and I'll just guide you step by step. So just come to your, I would say, desktop or kind of a screen of a MacBook. Okay, and here it is, as you can see. So here you can see some sort of an option. So what we be just click on System Preferences. So make sure that you just tap on this Apple button. I'll just let you know again, tap on this Apple button, then you will be see lots of options are there. Just click on System Preferences, and here also you can see several options. What really happened, like person who really want to get the dark mode, they just entered in a display mode and then just trying to find out all these kinds of an option what we are looking forward. So but here what we will be just doing, we will just click on General, and as you can see it here, here is an appearance is shown here, and below is there is use dark menu bar. Okay, what will happen, as you can see, it has just completely changed the I would say, as you can see, the dark mode has been enabled, and you can just see each and everything has been changed. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, and there is one more thing. Actually, I am having blue and graphite, so there is some sort of another thing would be entered here. Okay, so like this, I mean to say, what you can really do now is your the main, I would say, the settings which we are really looking here, that gets in a dark mode. So that's how the dark mode works. Okay, so you can see now it's completely transformed in a dark mode. Okay, and all the above options have become the dark mode. But if you really want these kinds of internal settings to be in your dark mode, I mean to say, like while I'm just working on this external software Google Chrome, then it is having external settings. Okay, this dark mode it's enabled for internal works of the system. Okay, because there are lots of application software, so it won't be able to make each and everything dark mode when we are using some external softwares or application. Because if we are using Google Chrome, then it's having a different setting. But this dark mode is really helpful if you are working on your Mac. Okay, so it will be really helpful because you don't need to face any kind of a lights and something eye strain at the night time. So it's really helpful. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. So this was the all video about how to turn off your dark mode. And if you really want to turn I mean, so this was the method of turn on, and it is a similar method also to turn off. Just follow the steps, and it is here, and it is done. So you can just see the complete different, like the main keys, like the top bar and the menu bar just change the color. So it's really helpful friends. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. Please do hit on a like button and do subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.